everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keep in Jamaica. Today I show you how I extract my fries from my pan. As you all know, they actually start to free swim about 2 weeks ago. I'm going to be putting them in small containers like this, probably about 4 or 5 in each batch. And here I go. Check me out. Cool. And they're very fine. Right, so I use the white spoon so that I can actually see them easily by just placing the white spoon under the water, and as they swim on top of the white spoon, they are easily identified. Now remember, this is not like I am not like an experienced betta fish breeder, right? And the reason why I'm actually extracting them from this container is because I think I better able to take care of them in small batches. So this is one of the fries. See fry and swim? Very tiny. It reminds me of like when a goldfish actually just hatch. And this is like 2 weeks old, right guys? Okay, so I put it here. So what I do in order to catch them very easily and less stressing, I actually place the spoon underneath the fries as they swim and just lift them out of the water. Right? And then I place them into a container. Alright, pass it a bit better. Now, if you look in the water, they are very difficult for me to see. So I have to be looking very careful. I think that this will be done easier at night. So I use this instead of the turkey. I call it the little syringe thing, like I used to use turkey. With a turkey. I don't remember what the name. But this is much easier. Less stress on the fish. I just take up the fish with the water and actually place in the container nicely. Right. So far I've collected about because after I had taken out the 21. Right, I had placed everything back in it when I realized that they were there. Nothing was really eaten. So far, I've taken out about 16 of them. This is one of my last containers in which I can find right now. So after this, what I'll do, I'll just allow the rest to remain. The reason why I don't like breeding or keeping betta fish. After a while, I'm going to have a long string of containers all along. Now, let's say that I have 10 males. I'm going to have 10 containers going along, right? Before they reach a certain size for me to actually sell them. Right now, in these containers, I have roughly about 29 fries. There's probably about 4 or 5 more in the large white yellow pan. I call it tub. In which they are giving me really a hell of a time to actually catch them. So I just allow them to stay for a bit. Right, so I am going to actually put a piece of plant in each of them. And then I'm going to put them in a section in my house. One of the reasons why I'm chancing putting them in my house is because presently, because of the corona situation, I am out of school. School is out. So for the next 2 weeks, I'll be here, so therefore I can allow them to get a little sunlight and to get a little, fresh air outside. I do not envision myself keeping them for very long because honestly, this is just for the competition. If it was not for the competition, I would not even think of betta breeding competition. I would not think of keeping betta. It's so complicated and a lot of work. Alright, so 29 betta fries. When they just initially start free swimming, I counted 32. Right? I see about 3 or 4 in the container still. We're gonna see what happened later on. Probably I might end up catching them, probably not. So I'm gonna allow the container to stay there. I don't know if you can actually see the fries swimming. Alright, they are very fine, guys. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3. I think 5 in each container. So there they are. my underwater camera whenever I use it to try to get a good look at them. It's a little bit blurry, so it makes no sense. So I have 6 in each, and the cups I have about 2 or 3. Right, so it's 29. Right, you see some of them swimming, right? Okay, I can't tell male or female as yet. When you can tell, you will see the fight start. Okay, so that's it for another fish keep in Jamaica. Thank you for spending the time and watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye. Cool.